do when nobody coming no more? Nobody's been down your door. What you gonna do? Slowly down the street, but high enough to make believe that I ain't ever gonna hit the ground. The one that got away from me, every now and then she go to see if I'm alive or better settle down. When I called her drunk last night, and I triggered her to say, what you gonna do when the whiskey ain't walking no more? Life don't feel like before. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when the ride ain't coming no more? Nobody's been down your door. What you gonna do?